Well, welcome to my next video. This is another one, box with drawers of my own design. My last one was an upright box with drawers all across the front of the state. This one's going to be a little different. The drawers are going to slide out the side, and that's a specific purpose for the drawer. It's going to be a little bigger because I had to make it bigger to do what I wanted it to do. I'm going to make it a domino box. I got some small dominoes that I bought, and I'm going to have a drawer that slides out right here that holds these dominoes. And the rest of it, where I don't cut the drawer out, I'm probably going to hollow out a little bit so the box won't be so heavy. But I got a top and a bottom for the box, got a lower base, which is these things are already attached. I've got some purple heart down here. This is some cherry, 1/4-inch cherry, and I'm going to inlay a star in that cherry. I'm going to try to anyway, if I can do it without messing it up. But that's the purpose of this box. I thought about building a domino box several times, and then I was thinking about this drawer for this Texas drawer, side drawer box, and so I thought, well, I'll just combine the two. Anybody that's not from Texas might not know that 42 is a big game that's played here. It's very popular. My family played it when we'd have get-togethers for holidays. We'd play 42 all night long sometimes. Family reunions, Christmas, Easter, Thanksgiving. My brothers and my cousins, all we got together and played 42 for hours and hours at a time. So it's been a very popular game here. And even after I got away from home and got out on my own, the people I worked with, we get together at my house and play 42 sometimes all night long. So it's a popular game here, and I'm just going to kind of combine the Texas and the dominoes for the point of the 42 thing. Anyway, I'm going to cut this drawer out right in here, and I had to wait for these to come in and make sure I could put them all in that space, and I can. I have to stack them just the right way for them to fit. But when I get that outline cut, these pieces on top and bottom are glued in the corners, so they'll come apart once I cut the outline of the state. I'm going to do that first. Then I'm going to apply this pattern on top of the centerpiece, which is an 1.5 inch piece of construction pine. And then I'll cut this drawer out and do my normal thing where I'm going to have to cut the long sides off and cut it down this way to get the cavity. So I got to do that carefully to make sure that still fits when I get finished, but I think it'll work out okay. So let me get me a number 12 in the saw over there, and I'll cut this outline and I'll go from there. Okay, so I'm gonna call this finished. I like it, but I'm not as happy with it as I wanted to be. That star doesn't stand out very well. I'm getting really low on material, so getting a good wood, the right thickness to contrast with that, that was the best I could do. I actually stained it a little bit, made it darker, but then I had to sand it down flush and took some of that out of it. But anyway, there's the dominoes. That's a travel set. That's a small size domino. And keep me from making the box so big you couldn't even carry it around. That basically just a domino box, the Texas-shaped domino box. I call it the Texas 42 domino box. Anyway, I hope you like that. I really like that cherry. It looks good, but I wish I'd had a darker wood to put there. And one thing, where that cedar fell, it had some light in it. I thought I had that arranged where it wouldn't be like that. It got a little bit of a knot in it right there. If I'd had more knot, it'd be more visible, I guess. Also had a lot of trouble cutting that. That's an issue I have when I switch blades around. I was going to do a video about that, what I've learned with different brands of blades. You get used to one, you switch, and you got to almost relearn in a short time because they don't cut the same. Now, I was going to do a video about that, my experience with that, the troubles I had with blade switching. Maybe I'll do that in the next week or two as a little short video as a bonus in there somewhere. But if you like that, hit the like button. I got another custom box I'm going to do. I'm going to modify one of the bandsaw boxes to put a clock face in it. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do after that. I'm not thinking that far ahead. I'm really busy in the summertime. It's raining, and I'm having to mow every week. I got 2 acres I have to keep mowed, and it's normally by this time of the year I mow like every 2 weeks, but and even sometimes 3 weeks when you get into the summer. But I'm having to mow every week, and it's a heavy mowing. So it's kind of keeping me busy around here to keep up with the place. And I have to do as short a video as I can, something that don't require a lot of extra work. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.